Welcome to the Deep Dive.
Hmm.
We're diving into this data product management course that you're thinking about taking.
It's a popular one.
It is,
Yeah.
yeah. And you want to know if it's going to help you level up in your career, right?
Of course.
So we've done all the prep work.
Mm.
We went through all 8 modules.
Nice.
And we're going to give you all the info
sure.
from the big picture stuff to the actual, skills and tools and stuff like that.
Yeah, love it that.
So the course starts off strong right out of the gate,
Okay.
talking about this data as a product mindset.
Okay.
Can you break that down a little bit?
Yeah, so it's really about changing your perspective.
Okay.
You're moving away from just managing data, and you're thinking about it as a valuable asset that can drive business outcomes.
Right.
And there's actually some research from
Okay.
McKinsey that shows that companies who adopt this mindset,
Yeah.
they see some pretty significant benefits.
Like what?
Things like 90% faster use case delivery,
Whoa.
30% lower costs, and reduced risk.
Now, those are some numbers you can really, take to the bank.
Exactly. And, you can put that on a resume or talk about it in an interview.
For sure.
Really show potential employers that you're not just technically skilled, but you really understand the strategic value of data.
Right. So you're not just a data geek. You're a data strategist.
That's it. And the course builds on that.
Okay.
Goes into data product life cycles,
Okay.
ownership and quality,
Mm.
really the core concepts that make a data product successful.
So you're not just learning the theory,
Right.
but you're getting a framework for how to actually build and manage these products in the real world.
That's it.
Okay. I like that.
And speaking of frameworks, Module 2
Okay.
introduces 5 core values
Yeah.
that are essential for building really impactful data products.
What are they?
Discoverable,
Okay.
actionable,
Right.
reliable,
Right.
governable,
Okay.
and ethical.
I like those. I think those are great,
Mhm.
talking points.
Yep.
You go into a job interview
Yeah,
and you're able to rattle those off.
you're hired.
Right. Or, in a performance review,
Oh, for sure.
you can be like, well, I really took this to heart.
I made the data discoverable.
Exactly.
We improved actionability
That's right.
by developing a dashboard that gave really clear insights for decision making.
Yeah, that's going to make you look good.
For sure. It really shows you understand what makes a data product successful
Uh-huh.
and how to build one that delivers real value.
Now, are these values just about impressing, the higher-ups?
Not at all. It's really about building data products that are, responsible and sustainable,
Okay.
beneficial for the whole organization,
Okay.
the whole team.
So we've got the mindset.
Yes.
We've got the guiding principles.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's talk about the different types of data products out there.
Okay.
Does the course go into that?
It dives right in.
Okay.
Module 3 covers 4 main types:
Okay.
analytic or BI,
Mm-hmm.
marketing,
Okay. AML.
and generative AI.
Wow. Okay. That's quite a fit.
It is, and it's really where things start to get interesting,
Okay.
in terms of career paths.
Right.
Knowing what's out there
Mm-hmm.
can help you target specific roles.
Right. Sure.
Industries that align with, your skills.
Your interests.
Exactly.
So, for example, if somebody's fascinated by AI,
Mm-hmm.
they could focus on developing AML data products for companies that are, working on the cutting edge.
Right. Or if you're really passionate about understanding customer behavior,
Right.
and you want to create those personalized experiences,
Mhm.
then you might be drawn to a role focused on marketing data products.
So the course kind of gives you a taste of all these different areas.
It does.
So you kind of figure out where you want to,
Find your niche.
Yeah, exactly.
And to really bring those concepts to life,
Okay.
the course uses some vivid examples.
Like what?
Like for analytic BI products,
Mhm.
they talk about real-time sales dashboards. Oh, okay, cool.
That managers can use
Yeah.
to track performance.
Makes sense.
And for marketing data products,
Okay.
they highlight personalized email campaigns,
Oh, nice.
leveraging customer data to
Right.
boost engagement.
So it's not just these, abstract concepts.
Yeah.
It's seeing how they translate into real-world applications.
Exactly. And the course also dives into the operational side of things,
Yeah.
data ops and MLOps.
Now, what are those?
Essentially, those are the frameworks
Okay.
for managing data products throughout their entire life cycle.
So it's like the behind-the-scenes stuff
Yeah,
that makes it all work.
you got it.
Okay.
Making sure that they're reliable and scalable and constantly evolving.
And those are must-have skills
They are,
for anybody who wants to work with data products,
for sure,
especially as you move up
especially as you move up.
into, more senior roles.
That's right.
Okay, so we've got the types of data products, we've got the operational frameworks.
But what about the actual process of building these products?
Okay.
Does the course cover that
It
too?
definitely does. Module 4 is
Yeah.
all about integrating traditional product management principles
Hmm.
into the world of data products. So
Okay.
you're learning about user research,
Oh,
design prototyping, road mapping,
yeah.
all those core practices to make sure you're building products people want to use.
So you're thinking like a product manager,
Yeah,
not just a data person.
exactly.
I like that.
Those are essential skills for anybody who wants to move up in this field.
All right.
And again, to make these concepts practical, the course uses real-world examples,
Okay.
like how user personas
Hmm.
can help tailor a risk analysis tool
Okay.
for investment managers.
Interesting.
So it shows you how these principles can be applied in different industries.
So this course really seems like a solid foundation
It
for
is.
building a successful career in data product management.
Absolutely. And we're just getting started.
We're really.
There's so much more to dive into in
Okay.
terms of, how this course can help you develop those in-demand skills
Hmm.
and that strategic thinking that'll set you up for success.
Sounds like we need to keep digging.
We do.
We'll be back in part 2 to explore even more career-boosting insights
Can't wait.
from this data product management course.
I'm excited.